Hey guys, so I'm here to do what is in Carrie's coupon binder. Right, this is what the cover looks like. It has a heart here at the end and a explanation mark. And then right here it says hashtag savings, hashtag free things. And then up here I have two binder clips just for if I need to binder clip something in my binder, my coupon binder. So as we open up, we look over here and there's a nice little pocket that has nothing in it. And then we come over here and we have all these coupons that I need to cut, as you can see. There's not that many, but yeah. That's all. Then we look right, I'm gonna put that in. But then we look over here and we have these kind of sheet thingies that people put baseball cards and stuff in, and I really like them. And they are really enjoyable, and I could really organize my coupons in these. So I have a pretty good amount of coupons here and 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 here. And then we go on to 5 clean sheets. Here's what they look like. They're like little, so let's say you're wanting to do couponing. These are highly requested and couponers like me and a lot of other people. But they're just these baseball. Here, I'll take it out real quick. Okay. So they're just this clear sheet. It has these clean kind of line thingies. They have little pockets on each one of them. So like you guys know. Oh, hi guys. But yeah. But you put your coupons in here. I'll show you how to do it. 1 second, please. Let me just get a coupon real quick. Okay. So here's a coupon, for example. Okay. So you're going to, here, let me get my thing. Okay. So you're just gonna slide these right in your coupon thing. Okay. So that's not all the way in, but that's just an example. Okay. So these are highly requested and couponers, binders, highly requested, I think. I really enjoy them. They help me stay organized with my coupons, and yes. So I'm not the best couponer just yet, but yeah, I just highly suggest this. I know a lot of people that do couponing, and they have these. So yes. So I have 5 sheets of these, of more. And then right here, we have some paper, some notebook paper, where I can calculate on here if I'm in the store and I need to know how much I'm going to be spending or saving or something like that. So I got pretty good, oh my gosh, come on. Alright, got a pretty good amount, as you guys can see, of notebook paper. So also always have notebook paper in your coupon binder. Always. It's always a good thing to have them. Okay. So then, right here, last stop. I have another pocket, as you guys can see. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. But then we come out here and we have a binder clip with coupons that are too big to fit in these. So here we go. Let me just open this up. So these are what they look like. They're just big, and yeah. So put that back on now. So that's pretty much what is in my binder, coupon binder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. I would totally do them for you guys. But that is what is in Carrie's coupon binder. Hashtag savings. Hashtag free things. So, just subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you guys want to see more videos, comment below down there, and say more coupon video, please, and I'm totally doing for you guys. So that's all for now, and I'll see you guys there.